Hello, this is Gan Li. Today I'm gonna do my portfolio assignment for OSU CS 361. I'm gonna demonstrate how to use my library management system. Okay, let's run my software. As you can see, my teammate's microservice, the random number generator, is already running in another shell. So I'm gonna run my software here. And here we go. This is the homepage of my library system. Basically, it has 6 features: view the books, add a book, delete a book, borrow a book, return a book, and the random recommendation, and finally exit. So let's view the features one by one. The first one, view the book list by categories. We can simply click on whichever category we want to visit. It's very straightforward. And then let's try to add a book. Let's say, what book? Learning Python. So the location, let's say A1, and this is computer science. I submit. There's a message from the system pop up saying that the index is number 46. Let's delete number 46 then. Number 46. Okay, we successfully deleted the book. Okay, let's try some index that is out of the range. Let's say 47. Okay, it will remind me that this is an invalid input. Okay, let's try to borrow a book. How about the book we just deleted? I'm sorry, the book is no longer available. Okay, so let's try to borrow a book that is in the system. Let's say 44. Okay, book successfully borrowed. Book status updated. We can double check. You see, number 46 is deleted. Number 44 is borrowed. Let's return number 44 back. Okay. I put it back on A1. Submit. The status is updated. Close the window, double check it. Okay, now it's on shelf at A1. So let's try the new feature, random recommendation. So let's put the microservice shell here. As you can see, after I click the new feature button, a data is sent to the microservice, and then the random number 13 is generated based on all the index numbers in my database, and then number 13 is returned back to my software, and then all the information related to number 13, index number 13, is displayed here. Meanwhile, let's try another. Okay, now it random generate number 12. Okay, let's close both of them, and then let's try to exit. Okay, now we see there's a double check window pop up. Do you want to exit? Let's choose no, because we are gonna explain all the requirements. So the first requirement, random recommendation feature is added here. The remainder feature that books is borrowed, actually I did a little bit more than that. I put remainder feature to all the functions. I'm using my teammate Evan Butler's random number generator. I'm gonna display the 8 cognitive style heuristic principles. The first one explains the benefits of using new and existing features. So the benefit is just simply, well, you can borrow a book, you can return a book. It's really easy to manage all the inventories. So the second one explains the cost of using new and existing features. The cost is pretty simple. You just need to click the button and then read the information. The third one, let people gather as much as information as they wanted and no more than what they want. So every time when you do something, the information is exactly the user wanted. No more, no less. Number 4, keep familiar features available. It's really straightforward. All the function names is right on the button. make undo, redo, and backtracking. So we can always go back to this home page by simply click it. We can open different windows at the same time, and we can update our system really quick. Provide an explicit path through the task. So I've already demonstrated that. Probably ways to try out different approaches. So let's say if I want to close it, it's simply click the close. We can also do this. So you see that's different approaches, but they do the same thing. And finally, encourage thinker to think again and again. So we need them to double check. That's basically all the 8 principles. And let me explain how the 3 quality attributes. The first one, maintainability. So I wrote all the functions separately in Python files. So each function itself is a single file that I can update, I can modify. I have already demonstrated the usability. And for the third one is the data integrity. Basically, as you can see, when I was updating all the numbers, the database is always correct. Now let me show you all the code. So this one is the main code. My first function, my second function, my third function, the fourth one, the fifth one, the sixth one. This is the one that is related to my teammates microservice. And you can also see all the codes on my GitHub. Thank you for watching.